In this video, we're gonna witness the grand celestial parade which took place on June 24, 2022. All the 7 planets will almost seem to align in the pre-dawn sky, and 5 of them will be visible with our naked eyes. Starting from the horizon, they include Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. The most remarkable thing about this planetary element is that the 5 planets will appear in the sky in the same order as the distance from the Sun. This orderly alignment of the planet is happening after 18 years. The last time they happened in the sky in this order was in December 2004. I have used the basic beginner model telescope to capture this event. First, let me show you the footage which took in my camera. That event can be viewed through our naked eye. This event can be observed on the second half of the June and first half of the July, even though 21st June will be the perfect day to view the celestial alignment. Let's begin with Mercury. The tiniest planet in the solar system will be challenging to observe because of its proximity to the Sun. As I said earlier, I am having the basic model telescope. I couldn't be able to capture the Mercury. The next planet in the alignment is Venus, which rules the early morning sky. Venus is the brightest speck of light in the east before it's lost to the morning twilight. The image is captured from the telescope with the low ISO and medium ISO. Next comes the red planet Mars. We can view the Mars in between Venus and Jupiter. With the naked eye and the telescope image, it will be visible in a pale yellow. The next comes the gas giant Jupiter. This gas giant will be the brightest speck of the light in the pre-dawn sky, only after Venus. The footage took on June 23 and June 24 are posted. As from telescope, you can also view the Jupiter moons Io, Callisto, Europa, and Ganymede. And finally, Saturn. Saturn is further away from the Jupiter, shining high in the southern sky. The ring planet will appear as a faint speck, almost as bright as Mars. As far as the solar system's ice giants are concerned, Neptune will be visible between Jupiter and Saturn. Uranus will be relatively closer to the horizon between Venus and Mars. Unfortunately, these 2 planets can only be seen through a high-powerful telescope. As I said earlier, I am using a basic model telescope. I couldn't able to capture these 2 planets. And as a bonus, we can also able to view our moon. These images of moon are took on the pre-dawn sky on 24th June.